Hey guys, it's Taco Bell Sanchez here, and I'm just looking through my random recordings from a long time ago, 3DS mode, whatever, something like that. So I'm just gonna place the camera down, and you guys are gonna hear but not see. So just gonna hear some good stuff that I honestly don't even remember. So here we go. Let's get started. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Okay. Turn my volume up. Nope. I don't know this. Song I apparently made. Okay, I don't even know what the game show is.
The second round is on. And this is a great game, folks. He hits the ball. Oh, it hits the coach's head. The coach is mad. He calls the coach.
Coach is mad.
And he goes and calls the coach. He's going after me again. It's an ugly one. Oh, and he misses. He screams. He looks at me. Oh, he just tried to shot me. And, oh, darn, he shaved my legs again. Ah! Yeah, you found one of you. He's a very weird koala. He has many different hobbies. Find out in the next. This is the sound of the round claw.
What? I don't even hear anything.
What?
Oh.
Let the dog go. Wait, what did you say?
I think I remember this one, but...
Hey, you, I'm Fred. Fred.
Who is Fred?
Fred. I'm a rhinoceros that is Fred. Okay then, we've got all the things we need, except for the diapers. Bring him out.
What?
Fire!
Oh, that's...
I'm in a military base. I don't know where I am. Hey, Joe, where are you? I'm scared. I want to talk through the mission. You can't tell anybody about it. Okay? I'm waiting for your answer. Talk to me.
I don't even know what this is. What? Yes. Oh no, this is from a long time ago, I think, when I actually liked the song a little, but now I kind of don't. Phasmo. What? Slow-mo. This is what PB&J sounds like inside slow-mo. Please. Okay, this is a little weird, but, yeah. Okay, that's enough with PB&J. I don't really like the listen. Oh yeah, I need to apologize in advance for the yelling. Oh, I didn't finish this, I don't think. Attack a monkey. 1, 2, pound 3. Yay. Okay.
That's all today on the show. Hit the subscribe button, comment, bye.
And yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Taco Boy Sanchez. Gotta go out.